Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a O-ring fix on this Firefly here. I don't have any front facing light. I'll try to get some. Hold on. There we go. Hopefully that's better. So yeah, here we have Firefly, vintage Joe here, who has a very loose torso, and that's usually because the O-ring in there is either falling apart or it's just completely weak. But here we have a screwdriver, and so we're just gonna go through this guy, do the process of replacing these O-rings. So all you have to do, get your screwdriver, and then there's a nail, a screw goes into the back, and it holds everything together, literally everything together. So here we have the screw, pretty rusty, but keep that somewhere safe. You want to keep your tool around because it's going to be helpful to replace this O-ring. And then all you do is ply the torso apart. So as you can see, everything just falls apart. And so you just want to keep everything organized. Right arm on that side, left arm on that side. And there you go. There's the O-ring. As you can see, it loops onto this back piece. And remove the head. And then we can go ahead and remove torso, and then this crotch piece area should just slip out. But let's see. There it goes. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these because the crotch areas are very very fragile and they can break on you, so I'm trying to be as careful as I can. I already broke his heel area trying to peg him into a stand, and that didn't work out. But yeah, here we have this O-ring. As you can see, it's very used. So we're gonna do this as best as I can through a camera. But we have the new O-ring that you're just gonna place on this little hook, as so. And then you're just gonna wedge the crotch or waist area back through. Remember, you're gonna be gentle and just take your time with it. There's no rush, no need to rush. Trying my best. Yeah, this crotch area is very big, so it's kind of tough too. And then you can also just, because the O-ring itself gets in the way, it like bunches up, so you want to poke it around, let it get through the waist area. This lighting isn't the best, but hopefully that is better. And there we go. I got the O-ring through, as you can see. And all you have to do here, this is why, well, this one's doing a pretty good job on its own, but you still have to stretch this even further for it to loop around this piece over here. So just place it on there, and with your tool, you're gonna stretch. Oops. Get it right. You want to stretch this until it loops around this one piece over here. loop. There it is. And then all you have to do is straighten it out. There it goes. Remember to keep your screw safe. And yeah, it's as simple as just assembling your Joe back together. In this case, our Firefly. Let's see. Put his head. Let's put his left arm. And yeah, it'll do that every now and then. It's the pressure of the O-ring. But put the arm. Put the other arm. Go. Then the final piece. So yeah, the way these are connected, you see those two holes. There's two tiny pegs there, and like that's absolutely everything these vintage Joes are holding on to. So you place them together, and then all you have to do is go back in with the screw. And you screw it back in. You don't want to make it too tight. Just enough until you start to feel it get tough. And that's about it. You don't want to go any further, and you don't want it too loose. And yeah, so he is A-okay. I mean, it still seems like it may be loose for all of you, but this feels much tighter, much stronger. It doesn't feel as flimsy anymore. But yeah, that was a video showing you guys how to replace the O-rings on vintage G.I. Joe figures. I know the lighting wasn't the best and whatnot, but I don't know. I think it's self-explanatory. So yeah, I mean, thank you all for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys want. We're at almost 80 subscribers, so you know the goal right now is 100 subscribers. So you know, please subscribe if you enjoy the content, of course. But yeah, that was how to fix a vintage G.I. Joe figurine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.